The race for technological supremacy in the skies has reached a fever pitch. Nations are vying for the next generation of air power. The stakes are incredibly high. In this fierce competition, the United States has placed its bet on Boeing and the revolutionary F-47 fighter jet. This is no ordinary contract. This is a $20 billion gamble on the future of air dominance. The Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, shrouded in secrecy for years, has finally taken center stage. Its crown jewel, the F-47, promises to redefine aerial warfare as we know it. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift, a leap into the unknown, and Boeing is at the helm. The significance of this moment cannot be overstated. It's a resounding declaration from the United States. They will not cede control of the skies. The F-47 is a testament to American innovation and military might. It's a message to the world. A new era of air dominance has begun. The F-47 is a closely guarded secret. Details about its capabilities are scarce, but the whispers are tantalizing. What we do know paints a picture of an aircraft far ahead of its time. This is a sixth-generation fighter designed to surpass even the legendary F-22 Raptor. Stealth is paramount. The F-47 is engineered to evade even the most advanced radar systems. Its design, reminiscent of the B-21 bomber, utilizes specialized materials and coatings to minimize its radar signature. This makes it a ghost in the sky, capable of penetrating enemy airspace undetected. But the F-47 is more than just stealthy. It's a technological marvel. Advanced electronic warfare capabilities give it an edge in electronic combat, jamming enemy sensors and disrupting their communications. It's said to be equipped with AI-driven autonomy, allowing it to react to threats and make decisions with lightning-fast speed. The F-47 contract is a game-changer for Boeing. The company has faced a turbulent period in recent years. Production issues, financial losses, and the grounding of the 737 MAX cast a shadow over the aerospace giant. But this win is a beacon of hope, a sign that Boeing is back on track. The award breathes new life into Boeing's defense sector. With the FA-18 production nearing its end, the company needed a major win to secure its future. The F-47 does just that. It injects billions of dollars into Boeing's coffers and solidifies its position as a leader in military aviation. The impact on Boeing's stock price was immediate and dramatic. Shares surged by 5% after the announcement, a clear sign of renewed investor confidence. The contract is expected to create thousands of jobs, boosting the economy and solidifying Boeing's role as a vital American employer. The F-47 is not designed to fight alone. It's the centerpiece of a revolutionary concept known as Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCA. This system of systems approach represents a fundamental shift in aerial warfare, one that blends human decision-making with artificial intelligence. Imagine a squadron of F-47s, each acting as a command center for a swarm of autonomous drones. These drones, operating in concert with the manned aircraft, would overwhelm enemy defenses with their sheer numbers and coordinated attacks. This is the future of air combat. This networked approach has the potential to revolutionize warfare. The F-47, acting as the quarterback of this aerial team, would leverage its advanced sensors and AI capabilities to direct the actions of its drone wingmen, creating a formidable and adaptable fighting force. The dual nature of the F-47, man and machine. The F-47 is designed for operational flexibility. It can be flown in both manned and unmanned modes, adapting to the specific needs of each mission. This dual capability makes it incredibly versatile, allowing it to operate in a wide range of scenarios. In manned mode, the F-47 puts a human pilot at the controls, leveraging their experience and judgment in complex combat situations. This is particularly crucial in situations where split-second decisions and strategic thinking are paramount. In unmanned mode, the F-47 transforms into a long-range strike platform, capable of penetrating deep into enemy territory without risking the lives of pilots. This autonomous capability opens up new possibilities for long-duration missions and high-risk operations. A legacy reborn, the F-47 symbolic designation. The choice of F-47 for this groundbreaking aircraft is no accident. It's a deliberate nod to history, a way of connecting the future of American air power to its storied past. The designation carries significant weight, evoking images of past victories and legendary aircraft. The most obvious connection is to the P-47 Thunderbolt, a workhorse fighter of World War II. The Thunderbolt was known for its ruggedness, firepower, and ability to take a beating and keep on flying. These are all qualities that the new F-47 is likely to embody. But there's another layer of symbolism at play. The number 47 also coincides with the presidency of Donald Trump, the 47th President of the United States. While not officially confirmed, it's widely believed that the designation is a subtle tribute to the former president. A global arms race, the F-47 and China's J-36. The development of the F-47 comes at a time of heightened global tension. China in particular has been rapidly modernizing its military, developing advanced weapons systems designed to challenge American dominance. The F-47 is a direct response to this growing threat. China's J-20 stealth fighter, while impressive, is still considered a generation behind the F-35. But the J-36, China's next-generation fighter, is shrouded in secrecy. It's believed to be designed with similar capabilities to the F-47, including stealth, advanced avionics, and possibly even drone control. The F-47's development is a clear signal to China and other potential adversaries that the United States will not surrender its technological edge. It's a reminder that American innovation remains a potent force on the world stage. Reshaping the landscape, Boeing's ascendancy. The F-47 contract has far-reaching implications not just for Boeing but for the entire American aerospace industry. It will reshape the landscape of defense contracting, influencing the allocation of resources and driving innovation for years to come. Lockheed Martin, Boeing's main competitor in the fighter jet arena, will undoubtedly feel the pressure. The company's stock fell nearly 7% after the F-47 announcement, a clear indication of the perceived shift in the balance of power. The contract will also trickle down to countless smaller companies and subcontractors across the country. The development and production of the F-47 will require a vast network of suppliers, creating jobs and stimulating economic growth in communities across America. The future takes flight implications and uncertainties. The F-47 is still years away from full operational capability. The program is entering a crucial phase of engineering and manufacturing development. Test flights will continue in secret, pushing the boundaries of aviation technology and refining the aircraft's design. The exact number of F-47s to be produced remains unknown, but experts believe it will likely exceed the F-22's production run of 180 aircraft. This suggests that the United States is committed to making the F-47 the backbone of its future Air Force. The F-47 program is not without its critics. Some argue that the enormous cost of the program could divert resources from other vital defense priorities. Others question whether the reliance on unmanned systems could create ethical dilemmas on the battlefield. Only time will tell what the ultimate impact of the F-47 will be. But one thing is certain, the future of air warfare has arrived, and it looks a lot like the F-47.